Welcome back. Well, a beauty across the area today. Temperatures topping out in the mid-60s after a morning start in the lower 50s. Pretty close to the normals for this time of year. But tonight, it's going to be some 8 to 10 degrees cooler. But tomorrow, back into the mid-60s. So let's get into it and talk about it as well. The rainfall, well, we've been way above normal December, January, and we started off February on a wet note as well. Just about everybody saw about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain with the rains on Saturday. So for the year, we're just about double where we should be. Certainly 6.54 is the normal, and we're going to be adding more into the rain bucket as we work our way deeper into the weekend. Here's the rain chances plotted up in the week ahead. Some scattered activity. We're not expecting much going on here, but it looks like Sunday night, these numbers are going to go up. Right now, we're going 70% chance. It's probably going to be 80% tomorrow and 90% either Sunday or Sunday night, the way things are working out. And hopefully the showers diminishing as we head into Monday. That's the way it's looking right now. We're going to be setting up for a nice, dry, but chilly Mardi Gras. We'll get to that in just a bit. First off, here's the big picture. Here's that low pressure system that dominated our weekend forecast going back to last week. And the same upper low as it moved through the area late yesterday brought in some pretty cold air down to lower levels. So the raindrops that were going up and down and some of the showers and convection and thunder showers that we had yesterday started producing pea to marble size hail. Generally, that's below severe levels, but there was some pretty good hail out there in a few isolated storms. Most of us missed out on those storms, but others didn't. Check out some of the video on my social media pages. Meanwhile, as we go back to the west, this has been the big story. Big atmospheric river beginning to wind down, but it has been pouring to beat the band. More than a foot of rain in portions of Southern California and more to come through the overnight hours. Very high flood risk shifting now south of L.A. down toward San Diego, or very close to it, and inland as you get into elevations. Big winter storm warnings in the pink, winter storm watches in the blue, and then you have the winter storm warnings here for the Sierra Nevada range. They were expecting another 3 to 5 feet of snow through Tuesday evening. So some impressive snow there. Meanwhile, for us, it's all quiet. High pressure building in from the north. We have that pressure gradient that was packed together. That's why it was so breezy. But notice now that those lines of equal pressure are getting more spread out, so the winds are beginning to abate. Clear skies out there with drier weather moving in. We're going to chill down into the lower 40s tonight, at least in Lafayette. We'll favor upper 30s outlying areas. But after a chilly start, another nice mild one. Temperatures get into the mid-60s tomorrow afternoon. High pressure remaining the dominant feature through tomorrow night and Wednesday, although it begins to shift off to the east. So another chilly one as we head into Wednesday night, and then getting into Wednesday afternoon. Upper 60s, perhaps lower 70s with mostly sunny skies, but more clouds coming in as we head into Wednesday night and going into Thursday. Oh, here come the clouds, and once they get here, they'll be here to stay. So enjoy the sun tomorrow and Wednesday, because we're not going to see much of it until Mardi Gras, the way things are working out. So speaking of Mardi Gras, let's get into the big Mardi Gras weekend. Looks like we'll see some scattered showers as we get into Friday. I think we should be okay for the Friday evening parade. And then as we get into Saturday, maybe some showers in the morning, maybe some sprinkles into the afternoon. But I think we're going to be okay for parade times once again into the evening hours. And then Sunday, that's going to be the wet weather day. Showers and some embedded storms. Not expecting severe weather, but there's going to be a good soaking, maybe an inch or two of rain, and thereafter we're chilling out as we head into the Queen's Parade Monday night. Temperatures chilly, lower 50s with some wind, so that one you're going to have to dress warmly. If you're starting off Mardi Gras early, upper 30s, lower 40s, we think. That's tentative right now, and then getting into the upper 50s to lower 60s for Tuesday afternoon. But with high pressure overhead, light winds, should be a very workable Mardi Gras, and that's always good news because we can have just about everything on Mardi Gras, from frozen precipitation to near 80-degree temperatures and everything in between. Upper 30s overnight tonight, lower 40s I-10 corridor, and much the same down along the coast, and then a nice warm-up as we head into the afternoon hours tomorrow. We'll see readings getting into the mid-60s. Moving forward, Wednesday, Thursday, we're looking temperatures getting into the 70s, well into the 70s this weekend, with rain chances ramping up for Sunday and dropping down in time for Mardi Gras. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.